Hello guys, in this video we will see how to create or set up Kali Linux 2025.1c virtual machine on VMware workstation by using the pre-installed Kali Linux 2025.1c virtual machine. Okay, so first go to Kali Linux official website and download the Kali Linux virtual machine. So kali.org, hit enter, then click on download or get Kali. Both are same. Click on either of them. Then see here we have two options: installer images or virtual machines. Installer images means we have to configure everything. Okay, and this is virtual machine is ready to use. So just we need to configure the hardware information. Click on this virtual machines. Then see here we have the four options: VMware, VirtualBox, Hyper-V and QEMU. Okay, I have made a video for this VirtualBox. You can search for my YouTube channel how to create or set up on VirtualBox, and the default credentials are Kali and Kali. Username is Kali and password also Kali. Okay, then VMware, click on this download button or download by using torrent link. Either is same. Okay, click on download. See, download started. Go to download. See here its size is 3.3 gigabytes. I am cancelling this one because see here I have already downloaded. It is zip file, so we have to unzip it. So go to this download directory. Then right click on it, then select any software to extract. I have WinRAR, so select extract to this folder. See, extraction started. Go to this folder. Wait until extraction completes. Once extraction completes, then we will add this virtual machine to VMware workstation. Then we will connect and then we will perform the configurations. See, extraction is completed. See here we have the list of AMDK files. Okay, and the size of this one is 13.8 gigabytes. Okay, now open VMware workstation, then click on open a virtual machine or go to file and click on open. Either is same. Now after extraction, copy this folder to some other directory where you have the NO space. Cut this entire directory, then go to the path where you have the NO space. Paste it. Wait until this is moved. Successfully copied. Now click on open a virtual machine. Then go to the directory. Then select this Kali Linux VMX. Then click on open. See, notice here in the description it has provided username and password and other information. And memory is 2 gigabytes and processes 4. I want to change this. So click on edit virtual machine settings or right click and settings or select it and click on VM and settings. Okay, click on edit virtual machine settings, then increase the memory, then decrease the processes. Okay, if you are okay with all the settings, then click on power on this virtual machine. Hit enter. Now provide the username, that is default username is Kali and also password is also same Kali. Then click on login. Now open terminal. Increase the font. Go to file and preferences. Then change the font here. Click on OK. Click on apply. See, font has been increased. Now verify the version that we have set up. /etc/os-release. See, Kali Linux 2025.1. Okay, Control A. The first step after connecting to Kali Linux is we have to update the packages. Sudo apt update && sudo apt upgrade. Hit enter. Then provide the password of this Kali, that is Kali. Type A for confirmation and hit enter. Okay, this will take time. So in this video we have seen how to download Kali Linux pre-installed virtual machine for the VMware workstation. Then we have set up the virtual machine on VMware workstation. Okay, for more tutorials please subscribe my channel. Thank you.